Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to insert image into an Outlook email in 2026. Now, adding the images helps you send the photos, the logos, screenshots, and designs directly inside your message. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook, and here simply click on the option of New Email tab on the left hand section. Now this is going to show you this compose message pop up in front of you. Over here you just have to click inside the email body where you want the image to be appeared. So once you have done that, simply hover over to the top and click on the option of insert. Here in the insert we have the option of pictures. When you click on the option of pictures, your device is going to show you all of the pictures that are available. So you just have to select that particular picture which you want to basically insert in your image. After that, once you have done that, it is going to show you here inside this particular section. So you can just simply use the resize option in order to resize the image by dragging it and dropping it with the help of the handles. This helps fit the image neatly into your message. To control how the text wrap around the image, you can right click and choose the layout options. You can also place the image in line centered and with the text around it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.